In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Remitly app to send money. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how easy it is to transfer money using the Remitly app. As long as you sign in for use of an account in Remitly, you will be able to download the mobile app, open it up, and start this transfer with a variety of payment and delivery methods. So to start, create your profile using your email address and password, and once you are done with the sign up process, you will be allowed to initiate a transfer. So at the bottom of the screen, you will find the send option available here. Tap send, and now you can initiate this transfer. First, you will have to input how much money you will be sending in your currency. So double check to see if the currency is set up properly and input the amount here in that specific currency. Next, choose how the recipient is going to be receiving this money. You can choose the same or a different currency. Make sure that you double check the current exchange rate. This will change periodically, and if you are curious, you can tap on this little information icon to see more info about the exchange rate that they use, and then you can tap continue once you are satisfied. Now, you will have to choose from one of 4 payment methods: bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile money, and home delivery. Of course, all of these have their different pros and cons. They might have different fees, but the point is, all that you have to do is choose one of these. Once you select a particular transfer method, you will be able to initiate the transfer. So you have to input all of the necessary details about the recipient, primarily their full name and then the bank details. Depending on where they reside, you will have to input more or less bank details, but stuff like the account number should always be included. Afterwards, tap continue and you will get the opportunity to double check your transfer. So you will see the amount of money in your own currency and the currency that they will be receiving in, the expected delivery date, how you paid for this transfer, and finally how they will be receiving it. As long as you confirm this, you will be able to keep track of everything through the app and manage this transaction. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Remitly app to send money. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.